So this will be our focus on our New Year section on Swiss franc JPY. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's start with our trade on Swiss franc JPY. Our trend clearly says we are on an uptrend move, so market is giving us that bullish move. Now this is our higher low. The markets eventually give us higher high. Here is also the higher low. So what market is currently doing is that we are currently expecting that new higher high. So basically you can see it day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and now we are day 6. This is the day 6, and market is giving us the bullish move every single day. So basically that means markets will continue to push up more on Swiss franc JPY. So it's what we are seeing right now. Swiss franc JPY should go bullish and take out this high. So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY is 196.19 or probably 19700. That is our level. That is the level we should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. That should be about close to 100 pips, maybe more than 50 pips on Swiss franc JPY.